Bible says, by loving each other, then the world will know you are my disciple. But if there is a place where people divide, people are living division in churches. They come even to pastor to help them to be divided. Because Jezabel, people are dreaming, prophesying, they dream that because Jezabel is in charge. You know, even Jezabel was the chief of the prophet of Baal. He said to Elijah, because you killed my prophet. Jezabel was not a woman. She was a devil in physical. Elijah could not run away from a woman. When he killed army and prophet himself. They are people, they are not people. They have devil inside. But you're gonna pray. May God give to the church the power. How long have you been a Christian but you're in the same level? How many souls did you win to God? I don't say only bring people to church. You are unable to win even one soul. Because your soul does not prosper. You are unable to preach the gospel. Your soul must prosper. Amen. You're gonna pray until you be able to finish your Bible. Until you stop the Christianity of people seeing you. You have the true Christianity. Even if people encourage you in sin, you're gonna say no. Even if people, because you give them money, they close their eyes in your sin, you say, yeah, I'm not comfortable. We're going to pray for the prosperity of us.